welcome to STAFDA. I'm here with Jeff and Amina, and they're showing off some of their new cool stuff from Klein. What do we like about Klein? Been around since 1857. Matthias Klein started it, and what's the great thing about it, you guys, is that the family still owns the company. So, cool things that they have today is what I've been noticing lately with Klein is their innovations, right? They used to just be known for making pliers, stuff like that, but now they're expanding into all this new stuff like USB testers. This is going to test your USB port. Knives. We have all kinds of cool knives from them now. You come in over here a little bit. They have this magnetic wrist strap, which I actually used for working on a car. I was taking out some bolts, and I was able to put the bolts right on here without losing them. Level, which you like, Sarah, right?
Yeah, absolutely. That's really nice.
It's a really nice level. And then all kinds of stuff. We have like the Hvac Cutters. We have everybody's favorite hybrid plier tool, which is a multi-tool. We'd like to see more of these because everybody loves them. This is their, what do you guys call that one again?
Forged wire stripper.
The forged wire stripper. And you guys, basically, something like this, it's like a vent check. You want to pick it up and you want to feel it, and that's where you're going to feel the quality. I mean, a lot of these brands are coming out with these crazy looking grips, and ooh, it's all ergonomic, but when it comes down to it, nothing is more ergonomic than just a regular Klein grip. Electricians love them. We have the Headlamp, your Journeyman. They just came out with this non-contact voltage tester, which works really good. Another cool thing that Sarah liked a lot is the jab saw.
It's a drywall saw.
Drywall saw. I call it jab
But it's nice
saw.
to have it folding. That's cool.
Yeah, it's cool stuff. And then the headlamp. But the coolest thing is this little stereo, you guys. It has some major power. You just put it on magnet-wise, and you're good to go. So, cool stuff from Klein. Don't forget to check them out, kleintools.com. Don't forget to go over to Tools in Action, check that out. And don't forget to just, you know, tie your shoelaces in the morning, guys, because you don't want to trip.
Okay, but seriously, check this out really quick.
That's alright, I see your name tag.
Look at this teeny tiny adjustable wrench. I want all of these. So nice.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.